As a virtual science teacher, I love some of the tools that are in Magic School. Let me show you. Head on over to magicschool.com, sign up for free. After you answer some questions, it's going to customize some recommendations for you. You can see that mine has been customized, and these are the recommendations for me because I'm a science teacher. I'm going to hop over into the 5E model lesson plan. So in here, this is where the prompting comes in. Choose your grade level, then the topic, standard or objective. You can also, once you have typed it out, you can get help with prompting so that it's more specific. I'm a virtual teacher, so in the customization optional area, I put down that my students are doing this virtually, so they might not have hands-on materials. And the standards I'm setting to align to are the South Carolina standards. Now, the life cycle of stars, we can go into depth pretty well here, and it is saying the duration of this lesson would take about 2 class periods, which would be 90 minutes in the brick and mortars. So for the engage activity, we're going to show a quick YouTube video, get some discussion questions, and the goal is to capture students' interest and prompt them to consider connections between star life cycles and the elements being created. I love using interactive simulations. PhET has got some great ones. And then you can have students working together as a group to explore different star types. So maybe put them in breakout rooms, or you can start a Padlet where they can work on something together, or even Google Slides. It doesn't matter. Each group is then going to present their findings and explain how different masses affect nucleosynthesis and key elements produced at various life stages. Then you'll have students research their assignment. So this is the elaborate part where they can use educational websites like NASA and things like that to create an infographic, maybe using Canva or Adobe Express. The goal, though, here is to deepen the understanding of the connection between the processes and the real-world applications of elements. So the evaluation part, I might change a little bit. It says, to give a quiz and do like a quick reflection, which I don't hate, but I think that it could be a little deeper here. Kahoot is fun. We could do 5 or 10 questions, make that a quick evaluation, but I think the opportunity here is that we could have students go ahead and evaluate each other on the presentation in the explanation part. I like that at the end, it kind of talks about extensions, materials needed, assessment methods, and notes for virtual learning. Magic School does a great job of giving us a starting point, a template to work from, and then just